Hi, good day. We've now come to lecture number 9, which concerns upper level scalar analysis and precisely for 850 hectopascal level for Africa and Europe. And this is geopotential contour analysis. We are doing it in two phases for North Africa and Europe, and then for West and North Africa. This is the map of Africa and Europe at 850 hectopascal level, the geopotential height contour map for Africa and Europe on the 27th of February 2013 at 1200 GMT. This is already an analyzed map, and the resolution is very low. So to make it of a high resolution, we crop this map into two, that's having the North Africa and Europe, and then West and North Africa. So we can see clearly as I guide in this issue of the analysis. This is the map of North Africa and Europe, the geopotential height contour analyzed map. And now for this level, which is 850, the average height of 850 hectopascal from sea level is approximately 1,500 meters. And the analysis will be carried out based on this particular average height. So we shall be using this average height, reducing it either at intervals of 60 or 30, either increasing or reducing, depending on the values we have on the map. So all the values, remember, the geopotential height is recorded or is put at every station circle. On the top right hand corner, look at my cursor. Look at the top right hand corner, like this position here. Station circle, this is the top right hand corner. That is 1,310. 1,301, which is the geopotential height of 850 hectopascal from sea level at this station. While here is 1,145 meters. So this is the height of 850 hectopascal level from sea level for this station. So that's how it is all around. So let us begin analyzing, or let us see how guide us on how this has been analyzed, beginning from this 1,500. The 1,500 line is usually drawn parallel to the wind direction, but at the same time, taking cognizance of the value to ensure that the value of 1,500 exists between two stations. For example, this station is 1,564. While this one is 1,495, very close to 500. So 1,005 exists between these two stations, but closer to this station. So we draw the line parallel. As we're coming down, we look to the left and right, that is to the east and west, to ensure that the line we are drawing can be accommodated between these two stations. This is 1,487, is 1,564. So this line can pass, it can be accommodated, that 1,005 can pass. We continue down, then we look at this station. This is 1,546. And this is 1,487. So 1,005 exists between these two stations. We continue down. Then we have two stations again, very close here. This one is to the north of it. This is 1,498, and this is 1,510. And 1,005 now will exist between the two stations, but closer to 1,498. So we draw it parallel to the wind direction. Then we come here. We see it exactly 1,500. So we take the line to the station, at the same time making it parallel to the direction of the wind. Then we continue down. Here is 1,496, and over here is 1,520. In fact, all values here are higher than 1,005. If you check at it, look at it very well. And values here are lower than 1,500. So 1,500 will now go through like that, and eventually like that. Even you look at here again, you see this is 1,556. 556, and this one is 1,480. All right, so 1,500, 480, 1,500 will exist between 1,480 and 1,556. So 1,500 will go through there. And then we look at these two stations again. You see this one, 1,513. This is 1,488. So 1,500 will now exist between two stations, but at the same time covering, going parallel to this direction. That's how we finish with this one. Then we come to the one the lower values. That is the reduction of 30 meters, 30 geopotential meters. That's 1470. In the same vein, this is already 1005 analyzed. This station is 1462, so less than 1470. So 1470 exists between this station and this analyzed line. So we take it down. This station again is between these two. This one is a 1487. So 1470 exists between this and this. So we take it, continue down here. This station is 1472. So 1470 is to the east. The line can be drawn to the east of it, just away. This one is 1451, so less. So it's between the two stations. So we are in good order. We continue down, following the direction, checking also the stations, seeing that the line will pass. The same thing here. This is 1454, and this is 1496. So it can pass. Then over here it goes round the course. You can't continue this way, because if you go this way, this value cannot be accommodated. The values here are lower than 1470, so it curves. This is 1465, so 70 will be down south of it, and just slightly south of it. Then we take it there. These two stations, this is 1493, this is 1441. All right, so the 1490. The 1470 exists between these two values. So we take it there. Looking this and this, the same thing, we have it to be 1470. So this can pass between 1499 and then 1441. All right. Then around here are low values. So we put a low there. Now over here we go to 1440. The same thing is done. Look at the two stations here. You can see that 1440 can exist. But nearer here, we take it down parallel. We continue here, we turn around parallel to this. This one and this can accommodate 1440. We take it down, and then over here. Likewise here, 1380 can be analyzed. This is 1434, and this is 1360. So 1380 exists. We take it down. The same thing here, this 1451, this is 1360. 1380 is there, and then we label it there. Then we come over here, this 1320. This can be analyzed as well. The values here tells us that 1301, 1360, 1320 will be there. The same thing here until we label it there. Then look at this one now. This 1260, this 1268, and this is 11 something 1260 of course exists. This is 1267. So and 1260 will be not of it. And likewise there 1200 is there. 1200 is there. 1200 can be between this 1205 and 1145. So this goes nearer the station. And then the values here are very low. So we put low, L there, low value. Then coming over to this side, 1560. The same thing we take around. This is 1564. So 60 will be closer to this because it exists between this and this analyzed value. So we take it round. This is 1553, and this is 1597. 1597, and so this value can be accommodated 1560 between this and that. So we take it down to this point. Then this is 1575, and this is 1543. So 1560 can pass, and then continues like that and label there. Then here is 15. This is 1530 can be analyzed likewise. If you look at the values, see the values here are higher, this one are lower. You take it down like that to this point. Then here the same thing is done, 1620, interval of 60. So we take it round, and then over there. So, and these other ones are done likewise. This is 1470, okay, which can be analyzed. You look at the values, here are higher, here is lower. So we put a low here, and then this value, this one is also analyzed. This is the value of 1500 that curves like that and comes up here and there. If you look at the values, you see it. So at this juncture, I will be ending this lecture. For next time will be North Africa and West Africa. Thank you very much.